Hi, cute little baby bird. You are my new friend. So, where is your mother? Why you are lying here on the ground? You fell down from the tree. It's good I find you, because if not, the crow will eat you alive. So don't worry, I'll take care of you, okay? I'll bring you in the housing and I will take care of you. Your name will be Lucky, because you're very lucky I find you. Okay? Lucky. I don't know what kind of bird is this.